Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Dynasty Warriors Origins game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings to achieve the best performance on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Dynasty Warriors Origins on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, you can continue playing from wherever you last left off, or you may go into Options to optimize your graphics. Once you click on Options, you will see the Graphics tab. Go ahead and click on it. And now, before you go into graphics quality or advanced settings, make sure that the correct resolution and aspect ratio has been selected. At first, make sure that dynamic resolution is also turned off, and you should be able to choose a frame rate that matches your display unit, or a value that is a little bit above. Also make sure that VSync is turned off, and you should only turn this on if you notice screen tears within your game. You can use various different methods of anti-aliasing as well, but this will be turned off if you use super resolution or upscaling methods. Now go into graphics quality and you will see various different presets. This ranges from low, medium, high, custom and Steam Deck. You could play with the Steam Deck settings, which will not put that much load on your CPU or GPU, or you may try using the high preset. This will set everything within the other options to the highest available value as well. You may also manually change the values based on your liking. Within the advanced settings, you will find the texture quality, the draw distance, as well as bloom, fog, and lens flares. You can try using the maximum or the high texture quality, and the display distance can be set to high. If you notice some issues within your game, you can try turning off volumetric fog, as well as bloom. There is also the option to reduce the number of characters that appear on the screen at the same time. This will not affect your difficulty level, just reduce the number of on-screen characters so that your CPU and GPU doesn't have to work too much. After choosing your desired option, just go back and your changes will be saved. Now at the bottom, you have the upscaling method. If you go into this setting, you can either use AMD FSR or NVIDIA DLSS for super resolution and frame generation. This completely depends on what kind of system you have, and some systems may work better with FSR, while some may work better with DLSS, and some might even work better with XeSS. So choose the various different options to find the one that suits best for you. Once you are done, you can go back and your changes will be saved automatically. Now you can continue to play your game with your chosen graphic settings. And if you wish to change this once again in the future, you can pause your game, go back to System, and from here go into Graphics to once again make your desired changes. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Dynasty Warriors Origin game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.